Large CLEAR LCD readout on receptacle tester to instantly view results without the need to look at a chart to understand results. Test GFCI trip time in seconds to find out if the trip breaker is functioning. Detect wiring faults of open ground, open neutral, open hot, dual open, neutral and ground, reversed hot, ground, and reversed hot, neutral. Auto hold function is convenient for hard-to-reach outlets. Safe and durable tester for inspections on North American 120 volts outlets. The RT250 is an electrical receptacle tester that tests the wiring conditions at an electrical outlet and inspects GFCI devices. The LCD displays the voltage, identifies the wiring fault, and the time required to trip a GFCI device. It is designated for use with North American 3-wire 120 volts electrical outlets. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality, professional-grade hand tools that deliver the performance, durability and precision needed to get the job done right. Our family of engineers, workers and craftsmen continue to put 6 generations of expertise into every tool we create by using only the highest quality materials, superior workmanship, and keeping manufacturing as close to home as we can. Klein isn't just the name of our company, it's also our family name. And since we're an American company that's family-owned and family-run, you know you can count on us to be here tomorrow. Klein Tools doesn't just make great products, we make great products that stand up to the demands of the professionals who use them every day. Since 1857. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome to test new GFCI breakers. Most of my home has GFCI, AFCI breakers. I adopted them as soon as they became available but had super annoying false trips. Turns out that the early versions would fail in hot locations, TX. And that their implementation was somewhat faulty. I had noticed that the older GFCI breakers tripped instantly when pressing the test button, but the new and improved ones were noticeably slower. Turns out this is by design and part of the mitigation to eliminate as many false trips as possible. There is a UL standard that dictates how long it should take for these breakers to trip, and this test device measures that delay so you can confirm whether the breaker or GFCI outlet is complying with the standard. The LED screen makes this so much better compared to the 3 light ones. Never going back to those.